Welcome to PayXpert's Tech Talks. Today's topic is the back office and how to filter transactions. The transaction filter bar is a great way to find a specific transaction. So let's take a look at navigating to your transactions, the transaction filter bar and what it offers, some examples of typical searches for Alipay and credit card transactions, and finally more tips to save you time. It's easy to get to your transactions. Just click Processing Transactions on the navigation bar and your list of transactions appear. The main columns in this table show the transaction ID, type, operation, originator, amount, date, results, and action icons. Column options can be customized to suit your business. See the General Features tutorial for more information. The transaction filter bar gives you many filter options. The best way to learn it is to try filtering different ways and combinations. But meanwhile, here is some handy information on how to get started. The filter type field opens access to drop-down menus that appear and disappear depending on what is selected. Each has standard field options which don't need to be memorized. In the period menu, choose from 4 date types. Choose the start and finish date, even a specific time to meet your needs. Transaction parameters is the longest drop-down menu. My favorites are choosing the transaction type or currency, but feel free to choose others. Don't worry too much about the options in related entities or referral transaction IDs. However, shopper parameters might come in handy if you have client information on hand, or shopping information parameters if you have an order or POS ID. But let's move on to a few practical examples to get things rolling. Imagine you are working remotely and want to check a refund made by one of your sales team working in your most important shop front. But you don't have the transaction ID. Enter a date range and time and click Done. Enter transaction parameters type. Let's select Alipay. Transaction parameters operation. In this case, refund. Click Filter, and the system brings up possible transaction matches for the one you're looking for. There are plenty of filter options to specify your searches or look for patterns in your transactions. Or maybe you have an e-commerce website selling sporting goods. You have an email from a customer asking if their purchase has been processed. They are shopping from a different time zone. You enter the date range, a time, and click Done. This time, let's select credit card. Click Filter, and there you go. Great, there's the one you were looking for. And just a quick tip, if you do repeated searches or filtering, remember to use the Save Search button and save yourself valuable time. That's all for right now on this topic. Please like this video and subscribe to the PayXpert YouTube channel for more great tutorials.